Hi, are you ready for another lesson in Jamaican patois? Well, remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican by Joan Williams at Amazon.com and subscribe to this channel so you can always know when the free lessons are coming on. And of course, share with your friends. Have a wonderful day. Me say, you get your vaccine yet? You must take it, Not take this thing, make no joke. Cause that virus here, you can't see it, but it wicked can't done. Me get me 2 masks and me did lucky for them in America where they have a whole heap of them. They hug up the whole of the vaccine, so enough poor country can't get no, God is a sin. Then we are sit down on it and make it expire before they make other people get it. But at Jamaica, make sure, say as you hear, say for your age group, a vaccine you get in the line because massa. Hey, nice for you lay down in a bed, and a doctor and nurse turn you up and down and look under you and hope you and all them. Massa, if that ever happened to me dead right away because me no like when me no like lay down in a bed. And me no like when me have to depend on people for turn me and dress me and do all them something there too. Me sorry for the poor people though, because with the virus I go on so bad at me yard. And them have all them curfew and them same thing there. People can't get figure hustle, figure get little food for them picnic, enough people in my yard, them picnic can't eat at dinner. If them papa and mama no go sell something that day there, or go hustling some other way. And now that virus, everybody locked down. Boy, me just want it move quick. How the Bible did say God love poor people. Me not say God love poor people, because poor people really suffer with this same thing, People them in the rich country and rich people, them not really suffer. Me say when me see a foreign, them a give out whole box of food to anybody who come. And you want see the Tappanaris car, the people them a drive if you can't get the free food. What part of them poor? Oh God, if them know where poor is, then dead. Me no know, boy, but the word at no level. Anyway, anyhow you hear say the vaccine I get out, make sure say you reach there, because nice to sick. If you can run up and down for yourself, the worst thing could have happened to you. Take my little stupid advice. Have you gotten your vaccine yet? As you hear that it's available in your age group, do yourself a favor and go and get it, because this virus is such a terrible thing. It doesn't catch everybody, but when it catches some people, it is terrible. They can't do anything for themselves. They're in bed. Would you like to be confined to bed and you have to depend on people to do everything for you, when a little vaccination could prevent all that trauma? No, I don't understand the people who are talking about they don't want the vaccine, because this virus is a terrible thing and it is affecting the very poor people more than everybody else, because whereas rich people in rich countries like America, they get food, they have the most luxurious cars and transport, that they go in line and get all sorts of food. The poor people in Jamaica, if they don't go out and earn something for one day, their children are on the verge of starvation. It's just not right. Anyway, take my advice. The minute you hear that the vaccine is available, please go and get it. Have a great day.